G'day, Doug back with you with another quick unboxing. This time we're looking at this Neewer LCD field monitor that I picked up the other day. We're about to open it up and look at what we get in the box and all that sort of jazz. Now this is a reasonably priced field monitor. I was looking at more of a name brand field monitor, and this has very similar specs. It actually looked like the same panel. It's cheaper from Neewer instead of the more well-known brand, so I thought I'd give it a crack. Now you can use these field monitors as confidence monitors. Say you're doing like top-down shots like this. You can hook it up to the camera there so you can see what the top-down shot looks like. Let's lift the lid. Comes in this nice beige box, so we're going to take the lid off. And you can see on top here, we've probably got, that's the monitor there. Let's move the lid out of the way. We're going to, first of all, just undo some tape here. Oh no, we ripped it already. It's just the protective packaging, which should be the field monitor itself. And that's basically the field monitor. Battery plate on the back built in. We've also got options for inputs on the side, which we're going to have a look at in a little bit more detail before we go into the rest of the box. And all the inputs on this side, and it looks like we've got like an external power. If we're not going to run battery, we can run there. We've got a full-size HDMI. Got some smaller ports here. Let's see if I can read what these are. AV in, very tiny ports. I don't know what sort of port that. It might be like a 3-prong port, like mini thing. It's very similar size to the headphone jack, and then AV out. And then we also got it's like a mini USB style old school port. It says USB upgrade. Okay, that's a special Surface port. It's a USB upgrade, so maybe it's for upgrading firmware. Okay, let's just stick that there and see what else is in the box. We've got the warranty card, very small writing, different languages. That writing's so small I can't tell what it is. I'll get someone to look at that for me later. Now this is the actual instruction manual that will come in handy. This might be like a cover that you put like over it to, like if you're using the field monitor outside. Yeah, this folds out. It's like a little hood or shield. Looks like it's got some sort of like the soft part of Velcro. It probably goes with this. Yes, the opposite end. This is the clip part. So then the Velcro part basically Velcro's on. Yeah, that's Velcroing on really good. I can feel it hold, so. To me, this looks like a HDMI to like a mini HDMI cable, so you can hook that up to your camera. So that's very good. This looks like a couple of different cables and connectors, actually. We'll come back to that. We've also got a ball head, like your standard sort of mini, sort of small Neewer style ball head that you get with a lot of other stuff. I've got a bunch of these floating around my studio already. And then we've got some like composite audio video. So that would be like your AV in or AV out. So if you're going to plug in something that's like analog, that's your video and stereo audio. That goes in either your AV in or AV out of your monitor, of course. Okay, this is, HDMI on that end. That's like a slimline HDMI. It's one of the HDMI sizes. We've got that one, and then they're giving you a cable for both uses. And then this one in this bag. And the one in this bag is HDMI, standard. More of your micro. I don't know, that's mini and micro. I don't know how they name them. That's probably the one that my camera has that I'm probably going to use. That one seems to be longer and slimmer, sort of in between size, looks like a medium size. The other thing that was in here was this is a metal, and then there's like a screw and a washer that goes with the screw, I'd say. So this is probably something to do with the mounting of the monitor, I'm not sure. The instructions will tell me. But that seems to be everything that's in the box with the monitor. So we've got a hood, we've got a ball head for mounting, we've got various cables to hook it up, so you don't have to go searching for cables and connectors, which is always good. Let's put all the plastic back in here. The instruction manual, which is going to tell me how to set this up and how to use the thing. And this model, of course, because we haven't talked about the model number, is the F200. And I can see the clip holds here, here, and here, which would be for this. We've got the hood in place. So yes, that's unboxing. That's what comes in the box. The monitor, the hood, the instructions, of course, various cables, ball head, and some sort of bracket, which I'm assuming is for mounting. And as always, when you go to use it, make sure you read the instructions, which is what I'll be doing. And I'll give this a run, start using it, and then I might report back and let you know how it goes in a future video. This is Doug, and I'll catch you later.